The Lattics browser extension enables one-click capture of both web content and PDFs. To get started, simply install the Lattics Connector from the Chrome Web Store and log into your Lattics account. Easily save selected text or images as Lattics cards by right-clicking and choosing the appropriate menu option. When browsing academic sites like preprint repositories or Cell, the extension automatically extracts publication metadata and attaches it to the card's extended information, streamlining citation and reference generation in your articles. Captured content is highlighted with underlines on the original page, and you can add custom-colored highlights for better organization and recall. Each card also includes a backlink that lets you jump directly to the source location, either in the Lattics web app or in your browser. The extension also works with PDFs on academic sites. Save PDF links to Lattics and view them without downloading. Together with Lattics' built-in side-by-side translation, supporting 92 languages, you can read the original and translated text in parallel, greatly boosting your research and learning efficiency. Metadata from translated PDFs is preserved in the card's extended information for accurate referencing. Lattics now offers educational discounts. Please visit the official Lattics website to make a purchase.